Do you want to know how you can choose your interests and preferences in Bing? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can choose your interests and your preferences in Bing. Go ahead and open Bing, which is on your phone. I'll teach you two ways from which you can choose your interests. The first way is going to your profile, which is on the left hand side corner, and then clicking interest. You can see that there are a lot of interests which will come up. You can tap on the interest and press done, and the interests will be added. Now the second option is to go to apps, and on the top left hand side you can see interests. Go ahead and tap interests. You can select whatever interests you have. You can search interests as well, such as some animes. So let's go ahead and search anime. So if you don't have it, you can just go ahead and go to interest and tap on some of the things which are there, like basketball, golf, MMA, soccer, and all of these. After you're done, press done and your interests will be updated. This was a video on how you can choose interests in Bing. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.